there is a narrative from those on the progressive side of the ideological spectrum in our state that none of that has really happened. So
you kind of have to say what is going on there. Well, one thing that we've heard from the left is they don't believe in tax reductions. They believe in government doing more and more and more. And quite frankly, Donna, it will never be enough. That's the complaint that you've seen on the side of the left. But as this thing is unfolded, as the ideas were put into place in 2013 and then, more put in this last session, what we're seeing, though, is a reduction in the unemployment rate. We're seeing more investment. We're seeing North Carolina's economy recovering ahead of our neighbors in the region and in many areas ahead of the country. So we're seeing an economic recovery here in North Carolina based in part on the tax reduction. But don't forget, too, coupled with this is a reduction in regulations, in the rules and regulations, so opening up those opportunities for entrepreneurs and business leaders, and then also reducing the cost of government, putting some restraints on the spending and going in and cutting the spending side of it as well as cutting the revenue side of it. And all of these things together, what we're seeing, not only are we doing much better in the Tax Foundation rankings, but our economy is getting back on its feet. It's starting to move. We're seeing those substantive changes because of the reforms that have been in place. Tax reform is part of that, regulatory reform, investments in infrastructure, and some other things. The whole package together is leading to economic growth, and that's exactly what we want.